Wani.
Captain Somi got a fish.
You want to hear that sound?
Seeing you kill a fish.
I didn't kill a fish. So now we are here to do some salmon fishing. She's been looking forward to that for a very long time now.
Check the coffin, see if there's any gelatin. Okay.
In the cafe? Let's go.
Jump out.
Oh,
They're dogs.
lots of
The ducks. Choppies.
lots of salmon. So these ducks are friends of salmon.
I don't know. You see.
So what can we eat from this?
Everything.
Even the ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it chicken?
That's soft food. Well, that's my first time. Yeah. I've never fished myself, obviously. No, you do it. It's alright, you do it.
It's not that easy.
I've never done fishing, this is my first time.
We can teach you. Come on, give me some more.
It's alright.
Listen.
There's enough rocks so everyone can fish at the same time. This is my first time, I've never fished. It's not complicated. Fishing is really hard. What we're going to use is a bait. It's the heart of the salmon. Look like this. Big, sharp, bloody heart.
The organs?
The
From other
heart
fish?
of the salmon.
Ah. So you use salmon for fishing salmon.
So what we're going to do is, so I'm going to show you. Yeah, enough. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. And we keep the bell open for now. Okay. We just let it float down. So what normally, it's quite simple. That's what I meant. It's not complicated. So what happens normally is, the fish, they take the bait, they spit it out again.
Ah, you got a fish.
So if that happens, you close the bell. That's that. We wait for that, what happened right now. Hold it a nibble. If that happens again, and the bubble stays underneath for at least 3 seconds, then we just pull the rod up, okay, and then we hook it into the flat. Keep running. Always have a band rod now. Just keep running.
Captain Somi got a
You want
fish.
to hear that sound? Okay. Yeah. You just come to the left. You just walk down there.
How does that feel?
Yeah, my man. Yeah. Why is it going out?
Because it struggles. The release is quite.
I'm doing it right.
It's okay. And then you're going to.
Thank you. You can just go down there. Okay. Just keep running in. Don't lose the tension. One. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what we want to see. If he's doing that, he's tiring himself out. Okay. So we need him to tire himself out. Exactly. So the banding of the rod is helping us too. Because he has to fight against banding of the rod and the flexibility of the fish. That sound is perfect for us. We know, okay, that took a lot out of him.
So that sound means like, is it also reeling it out?
You know what I want? Stop. That means he's taking line.
Okay.
And we cannot close the drag completely at the beginning.
Okay.
Just then the line is too tight and it can snap.
It can
Or
we
the
are just
hook
going to tire that.
goes up. Exactly, we tie him out and then we can slowly close the drag and bring him in.
All right.
So that's how you do it.
Wow. 2 kg. I think it's 3 kg.
Just take the rod on the other hand. Okay. Take off.
Oh, that's your catch.
There we
Your audience is not
Okay. There we go.
How did what feel? Seeing you kill a fish?
I didn't kill a fish. I just
Okay.
caught it because you were too scared to catch it. That's it.
I'm not. I was using the jig. In the middle of the day, you have a better chance because you're using the bait. The bait has more flavor, and the jig it just imitates how the little fish swim in the pond. So you get a better chance today.
I got a better chance. That's why
Yeah.
I could catch it. Okay, I believe you. Why is so much cruelty with the animals?
Catch a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.